Okay, class, for this session, I want to talk about the adding, subtracting, multiply, and divide functions. So question 1 is f plus g of x. So means you're going to add these two functions together. So the way you do, you just combine like terms. So then your answer will be negative 3x squared. So 2 minus 5, 2x minus 5x will be negative 3x. So this is how you put the answer. Negative 3x squared minus 3x. Now for the next one. So this is subtraction, right? So what you're going to do is you have negative 3x plus 2, and then you're going to minus 3x squared. Since they are all different, so you just write them out. So you have negative 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so for the next one, so this symbol represents multiplication. So which you write out this way. So it's 4x times x squared minus 4x. So your answer will be so you can do 4x times x squared and then 4x times 4 negative 4x. So it will be 4x third power minus 4 times 4 is 16. X times x is x squared. So this is how you're going to write it. So it'll be 4x third power minus 16x second power. Okay, so the next one is division. I know most of you are struggling with this. So the way you write division, you just put the first one on the top, right? And since it's f of the x divided by g of x, so be negative 3x squared plus 3 over negative 2x squared. And then this second box here is saying this negative 2x squared cannot equal 0. So which means x cannot equals 0. So that's it. So now you're going to write out first. You're going to click on the blue box here. And then you're going to type the one on the top. So negative 3x squared plus 3. And the bottom one is negative 2x squared. And then we say cannot equal 0. Okay, so the next one is easy. It's just addition. So we're going to do negative x squared plus 10x minus x squared. So which is negative 2x squared plus 10x. So you type here negative 2x squared plus 10x. Okay, so now let's see next one. Okay, so next one you need to be careful is that because it's subtraction, right? So if you think in terms of negative 4x minus in the parentheses, I think that way you can avoid mistakes. So you will have negative 4x minus 5x minus 1. So which is negative 9x minus 1. Okay, so let's see, next one is a multiplication. Remember, if there's a point here, it represents multiplication. So which is, I'm just going to write this, the gx on the front, because multiplication, you can do it either way you like, right? Because it's the same. So then you will have what? So basically is, you multiply the number negative 3x squared times x, and then negative 3x times 3. So I'm just going to write out the answer. So be negative 3x, x times square times x, so be x third part, right? Negative with positive will be negative. 3 times 3 will be 9, and x squared. Okay, so the next one is subtraction. So be careful about the subtraction. Oh, for this one it's easy because it's negative x squared, right? Minus 7x minus 1x, so it's minus ax. Okay, next one, subtraction. Okay, since it's two elements, two terms, I'm just going to write it. So you have negative 2x squared minus 3x, and then minus 3x plus 4. So think about the minus, right? So you're going to write will be negative 2x squared minus 3x minus 3x minus 4, right? Oh no, this is a negative, sorry. So negative will be positive, right? So it's minus 3x plus 3x. Yeah. So then this one is cancelled out, right? So then your final answer will be negative 2x squared minus 4. Since the middle number is cancelled out. Okay, so this one is plus. So we're going to put them together, right? So you have negative 3x squared minus 7x minus 2x plus 4. So you sort of can see, right? So it's negative 3x squared minus 7. Negative 7 minus 2 will be negative 9x, and then plus 4. Okay, so next one is the same thing. So I'm just going to write it here. So be what? X squared. So negative 2 minus 4 will be negative 6x, and then plus 5. Since it's plus, right? So we just do plus 5. Okay, this is the one I would like to spend time to talk about it, since it's a little bit hard for you. So again, we're going to put what? 3x plus 6 divided by, so f of x divided by the g of x. X squared plus 5x, right? And both terms we cannot simplify. So it's the second one that we have problem with, right? So this one will be, let me use a red color. So we can say this one cannot equal 0, right? So we will say, so we're going to factor out, so it'll be x plus 5 cannot equal 0, right? Because if denominator is 0, then it's undefined. So you either x equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0. So which means, x cannot equal 0, x cannot equal. So it'll be x cannot equal negative 5. So then your answer here will be 0 and negative 5. And here you just need to put a box and just copy down 3x plus 6 on the top, and then x